Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to a brand new vlog. In this vlog, we're going to be showing you guys what we've been up to in the past few weeks and the fact that we got Yumna a brand new car. So without any further ado guys, let's get right to it. Okay guys, so before we begin our day, there's a little mehman in our house that I want to introduce to you. Oh my god, who is this?
This is Dobby.
His name is Dobby. He's literally 4 times Peanut size and Yumna can barely pick him up. But he's the most loving cat ever, guys. Okay guys, so just for some comparison, this is Peanut and then this is Dobby. Look at the difference between them. But guys, I gotta tell you, Dobby is by far fattest and the fluffiest cat I've ever seen. Oh, come here, Dobby. Oh, come here. So guys, हमारे parents भी यही कहते रहते हैं कि बिल्लियाँ पाले जा रहे हो, बच्चे कब पालोगे?
My parents don't say that.
Yeah, they do, Yumna. मैं Facebook chats खोलूँ?
Yeah.
You know what? Just to prove to you, I'm gonna call your mom right now and I'm gonna ask her, okay? Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Auntie, what's your biggest wish in the world right now? Yeah, I knew it. So guys, basically I love Yumna so much that I would never let her drive my i8, which is why I decided to get her a new car.
No, that is not why. You decided to get me a new car because you don't take me grocery shopping, you don't take me to my appointments, you don't take me out whenever I want to go out, so that is why you decided to get me a new car. So I can do the mazuri of the house.
Yumna, itna expose nahi karte. So can you do that again?
So you got me a new car because you love me so much and you care about me.
Jalu, it's okay. Jeeti raho, khush raho. So a lot of you guys were curious about how the car looks like. So let's go and give you guys a test drive and a test look of the new car. What the hell was that? Okay guys, so you have no idea मुझे कितनी खुशी हो रही है that finally I'm sitting in the passenger seat while Yumna is driving.
Driver girl, this is like a really manly car, you know, like when I drive it makes a noise, it goes like vroom. So
wait, how does it go like?
The person does not fit the car does not fit the person.
So basically Yumna ये कहना चाह रही है कि बाहर से आहिस्ता Yumna पागल हो गई. So basically what Yumna is trying to say is that when you're outside the car and you look at this car, you probably think कि कोई मर्द निकलने वाला है इस गाड़ी से और अंदर से निकलती है छोटी सी Yumna. But so Yumna, what's your favorite part about this entire car?
I don't know, like it can take me to wherever I want to go.
Yumna वो तो गधा गाड़ी भी ले जाती है. Okay Yumna, so now you're driving your own car. How are you feeling while driving?
I feel amazing. Whenever I'm gonna get into an argument with you, I'm just gonna be like, you know what, Johnny? I'm leaving in my car. I'm going something else, but you cannot find me. But all in all, guys, driving is a privilege, and you have to be really careful when you drive because you need to take care of the lives of the people in the car as well as outside of the car. So you gotta be really careful. Hola, señorito, ¿cómo estás?
Acha Yumna, show everyone how loud the car is, okay? Turn it on. Wow, okay. So Yumna, what do you think about the loud noise of the car?
I freaking love it. Let me do that again.
No, Yumna. Yumna, stop. Yumna, are you crazy? Stop, Yumna. Okay guys, so a few days ago I actually posted a photo on my Instagram where I gifted the BMW to my wife, and someone actually commented saying that they think my wife's BMW is actually faster than my BMW.
They don't think, they know. Because my car is faster than yours. It actually is.
Okay guys, so we're actually going to be having a race, the BMW i8 versus the BMW 3 Series, and we're going to be seeing who wins. So let's go.
You cheated.
Guys, ये एक चीज होती है confidence और एक चीज होती है over confidence.
You
In what world? Yumna, एक
completely
second.
cheated.
इधर आओ.
You
ये बात
started
सुनो.
early as you always do.
Yumna सारी वीडियो में
1 second
बात
early.
सुनो. तुम किस ख्वाबों में, किस दुनिया में रह रही थी जिसमें तुम्हें लगा कि ये गाड़ी i8 को बीट कर लेगी?
Okay, I didn't think that. Okay,
Just because your car, guys, Yumna की गाड़ी घुड़ुंग करके चलती है तो Yumna को लगा पता नहीं कितनी स्पीड होगी. बंदा जो हार जाता है ना एक बार हार मान लो.
Guys, okay, my
Friendship
car
or-
was not on sports mode. I'm not joking. It wasn't on sports mode.
Guys, कुछ नहीं सुना आपने guys. Force mode में होता भी ना, she wasn't gonna win anyways.
What? You didn't win, okay?
Yumna, no.
If it was on sports mode, I
तो
could have
तुमने क्यों
won.
नहीं डाली गाड़ी स्पोर्ट्स मोड में? गलती किसकी थी? Yumna was literally driving the car in eco mode.
I'm
भैंस की
not
तुम
used to this car.
रेस के अंदर भी फ्यूल बचा रही थी तुम. Alright guys, so since we're at my parents' house, what I decided is why don't we play a little game? So basically the game is called Pie Face. Two people play against each other and they have to put their faces inside a cutout and they have to press a button. And the person who presses it slower gets a pie slapped on their face. So let's see how it goes.
Dime, ¿cuántas veces me volviste demente? Ahora sin que estoy tan solo no es
3,
fácil.
2, 1, go!
Quiero, baby, hasta que nazca el sol, hasta que nazca el sol. Dime, ¿cuántas veces me volviste demente? Ahora sin que estoy tan solo no es fácil. Te quiero, baby, hasta que nazca el sol, hasta que nazca el sol.
Thank you so much everyone for participating and being a part of this video.
Dime, ¿cuántas veces me volviste demente? Ahora sin ti estoy tan solo, no es fácil. Te quiero, baby, hasta que nazca el sol, hasta que...
So a lot of you guys keep asking me, what do I do for a living? How can I afford all these cars? Well, let me show you. Living abroad, PUBG Mobile एक ऐसी गेम है जो मुझे अपने फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली के साथ हमेशा कनेक्टेड रखती है. मुझे अभी भी याद है जब मैं अपनी पहली PUBG Mobile वाली गेम जीता था. It's something that I'll never forget क्योंकि वो फीलिंग बयान नहीं की जा सकती. मुझे PUBG Mobile की जो सबसे अच्छी बात लगती है वो ये है कि वो कुछ ना कुछ नया इनोवेट करते रहते हैं. Just like their new payload mode in which armored vehicles and the M202 quadruple RPG are by far my favorite. ये मोड काफी action packed है and it's by far one of my favorite modes. So I want you guys to let me know. Would you want to play this mode with me? Write it in the comments below. अब समझ आई? Alright guys, so that brings us to the end of the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. और अगर आप लोगों को ये vlog पसंद आया, make sure to give it a big
Thumbs up.
thumbs up guys. And if you guys love Peanut and Dobby, make sure you guys subscribe for future videos. I've noticed that 60% of you guys aren't subscribed to the channel. तो आप लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? सिर्फ 2 सेकंड निकालें, जल्दी से जाके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. And we will see you with another video another time. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name.